Mohammad Ghamira's family and friends gathered in this hall to receive condolences on his death. Amid the grief and disappointment, they told us they hope it will not be in vain, that the outrage it sparked will mean no more abuse. Syrians are very sensitive to mistreatment and deaths in detention, which were systemic under the Assad regime. Many, including Mohammad's family, hoped that chapter had closed when it fell.
These things should never be repeated. The state is being rebuilt and we won't allow it to be built in the wrong way. Not now or ever. What they did during all these years, it was for nothing if we return to the same old story. This kind of things is unacceptable.
It falls to Mustafa to receive people's sorrow. Their father died fighting for the revolution, and Mohammad was a member of Syria's White Helmets, volunteer first responders who worked in opposition areas during the war. It's part of why his death touched such a raw nerve. The investigative committee that was rapidly formed in response found that while there were no obvious signs of violence on his body, Mohammad died of a brain hemorrhage after he was summoned to a local police station to resolve a financial dispute.
Mohammad's wife told us that she came to this police station twice to warn officers that Mohammad had a blood clotting disorder that meant any violence against him could kill him. But witnesses told the investigative committee that an officer slapped him. That officer has now been detained, and authorities say that he will be referred to the prosecutors.
The Interior Ministry said that the officer will not be shielded from accountability and that his actions didn't represent the institution.
The ministry is currently restructuring all its units and building capacity. Through regular training, we will create a security establishment that understands human rights.
But Mohammad's death was not the first case of alleged mistreatment under Syria's new authorities. Rights organizations say they have testimony about other deaths and abuse in detention. People are demanding answers and concrete action on those other cases. They say they're not content with mere promises of monitoring and better training of security forces. Syrians can speak openly as never before and are doing so now to make sure the new government doesn't slip into the habits of the old. That the revolution means more than just new signs on buildings full of bad memories. Heidi Pett, Al Jazeera, al-Haffah, Syria.